today we are going to be following a viral Asian beauty trend, which is using the modeling nose and scar wax from Graftobian. This was from Amazon. I purchased this for $10. We are basically going to be doing our own nose job. Kind of. Not really going under the knife, but you get the idea. We're going to build our nose with the scar wax. Here is a little before my nose. I don't have a strong side profile and my nose is really short, buttony, piggy, I don't know. Before. My dog is sitting in the back. Well, there you go. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so I have my mirror set up right underneath you down below. So I just have a little scooper here and we're going to scoop some product out of the container. I took some out to kind of touch it before. Alrighty. So let's start off with about that much. Roughly the size of a kidney bean. You can see that. My doggy's here with me. If he's snorting, apologies. So I see people roll it and then they simply apply it on the nose. Yeah, it's really sticky. Once you really rub it in your hands and start to get it warm, then that's when it starts to feel almost like warm gum. Like if you've been chewing gum and then you all of a sudden take it out of your mouth. I know that sounds kind of gross, but that's what it reminds me of. I was always pretty self-conscious about my nose growing up. I don't have a very prominent side profile. And my nose bridge is pretty weak. It's really common for Asian people, I feel, but I've always been pretty self-conscious about, I've always been pretty self-conscious about that growing up. Not gonna lie. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just building my bridge. I don't think I'll do anything as far as the tip. I think that would be too obvious. So far, so good. There's this viral video, or a few viral videos, where girls are cutting off parts of their nose and what they are using is this nose and scar wax. That's what inspired me to have this sort of DIY style nose job. Okay, so it clearly does not look natural because of the color, but let's try with some makeup if that makes a difference. If this blends really well and looks really good, you're gonna have a pro catfisher over here. This is what it's looking like so far. What do you guys think? Cute? No? Yeah, I think my concealer color would match a little more than my foundation color. Plus it's also kind of like that highlight illusion, so you want this to be a little lighter. And yeah, it's not really blending well. Like that color is not blending into my skin tone. It looks stupid. It looks dumb. There's a little hair there that I just took off. Great. Up close and personal, you guys. That's how it's gonna be today. Props to all the people who can work with this and make it look good. On Halloween, on TV, all the special effects makeup artists, you have true talent. Okay, guys. Maybe that's gonna be the best I can do. I mean, it looks straight. I'm looking at it in the mirror and my nose bridge actually looks good. I just think it's the color that looks kind of bad. So if I actually had, oh, this side does not look as good. But overall verdict, I think this was a fail. As an everyday thing, no, this is not a good DIY nose job. Okay, this looks like a DIY nose job, for real. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button on this video. Please don't forget to hit subscribe. As I said before, one of my New Year's resolutions is to grow my YouTube channel. So I would really appreciate it if you probably stopped looking at my ugly nose and hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.